Dear Diary, today's August 29, 2025. And on Arctic News, first place to stop this morning, I find summer maximum temperatures over land getting hotter, posted by Sam Karana. And this information was found by Dr. Peter Carter. He notes summer high heat today compared to the 1930s. Most regions' huge increase in summer maximum land temperatures today compared to the 1930s, an awful trend. Warming for the many most heat vulnerable regions. Thank you, Dr. Peter Carter. Let's take a look at this through AI on Google search, a place I visit often. Well, let's do the search. We get AI overview. Globally, summer heat today is significantly more widespread and intense than in the 1930s, which were usually warm but in a more localized way. The intense heat waves during the Dust Bowl era in the US were a result of natural dry cycles combined with poor agricultural practices, whereas modern heat is driven primarily by human caused climate change. Now, that's not Dr. Carter saying that, and I'm not saying it. This is a global comparison. All right, and we can open up this little doodad here. Today's summers are globally hotter, and when we compare the 1930s to the 21st century, it's evident the warming is global phenomenon. While the heat in the 1930s were intense in North America, much of the rest of the world was significantly cooler than it is now. Well, 2023 set a global record. Globally, the summer of 2023 was the hottest on record. In contrast, even during the peak of the 1930s Dust Bowl, the heat was not a worldwide trend. U.S. comparison, the Dust Bowl era was uniquely hot for the U.S. plains. Skipping down, today's average is consistently hotter. More frequent and intense heat waves. While in the 1930s we had severe heat waves, well, since the 1960s, heat waves in the U.S. have become more intense and significantly more common in major cities. Climate change has doubled the likelihood of heat waves, like most seen during the Dust Bowl. Why the 1930s felt so hot? Lack of air conditioning. In the 1930s, widespread air conditioning did not exist. The heat was relentless and inescapable for most of the population, making this experience of the Dust Bowl era heat more miserable and daily than modern heat waves. The Dust Bowl conditions, wow, they were on prairies to farmland, exacerbated the heat. When drought hit, the exposed dry soil heated up more quickly, further intensifying temperatures and creating extreme conditions. Bottom line, this is AI. This is not Eddie Evans. This is not Dr. Carter, Arctic News. This is an AI by Google search. Bottom line, the intense but regionally confined heat of the 1930s was caused by a combination of natural weather cycles and localized land practices. By contrast, today's heat is a product of human caused climate change, resulting in higher average temperatures, more frequent and intense heat waves, and in global warming trends that vastly exceeds the 1930s. Well, there you have it. So it is much warmer today because of human caused global warming, anthropogenic climate change. I'm Ed Evans, and good day, diary.